The if statement is sort of the bread and butter of the branching world, if you will. It is the most commonly used, and it is the one that we focus on as sort of the basis for all other branching. So the if statement looks kind of like this, and it says if, that where we get the clever name, if statement, and then following the if we have a set of parentheses that contains an expression. Okay, and the expression decides whether the code in the curly braces in the pink there is actually to be run. So we have if, then we have an expression in parentheses, and then inside curly braces, it has the code that actually gets run if the expression evaluates to true. So if that part is true, then this code is executed. If it's not true, then that code is skipped. So you can think of it like this. So we have some code, and the code normally would just run, and then the next line would run after that. But if we introduce an expression with if, then we decide if that expression is false, then your code executes just like it normally would. It goes to the next line after the curly braces. But if the expression is true, then something else happens. Then it follows the code that we have in the curly braces, and it'll execute whatever code that is. It can be 1 line or it could be 100 lines. And then after it completes that, then it will return back and execute the next line of code after the curly braces. So either it skips that block of code that is in the curly braces, or if the expression is true, then it executes that code.